Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What another great day today it's been investing on the stock market. We're loving it. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll for our power hour. Now, what we're going to do is a little bit of a surprise for you at the end of the show, I think, because I just really appreciate you so much. Everything that you've done for me, helped me grow this channel. This show and everything, and it's just getting better and better every day. And I want to go again an extra mile for my viewers. So thank you very much indeed. All right. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. But first of all, here's a few links you might need. Here's the Alpha Spread link if you want to get the Alpha Spread that I use. There's my stock twits if you want to follow me with all my trades. And all the community over there. There's my music channel if you'd like to follow my music. And if you'd like to become a member as well, there is the link for the membership. Discord, okay, if you want to be able to talk 24 hours a day to us, there you go. And we're in a Rumble competition right now to try to win a prize. Quite exciting, really. But you know, we'll see what happens. I've had one of my biggest audiences today on Rumble, which is very, very nice. So there's the link if you want to engage and follow me. That's awesome stuff. Let me just get into it and share it on the screen with you. Before I do that, though, here is the shop, my X account. Here is the all links button, and here is Sensei's link if you want the premium service for Sensei services. But here we are running on Rumble right now. Say hello to all my friends over there. Welcome to all of you. We are a verified account now, which is exciting, and we'll see how it all pans out. Very, very nice indeed. We'll see. Anyway, let's see who was here first. We've got Ed Spitzer. Just so everybody knows, I want a review, but I won't super chat it because the list is too long. I want a review, but I won't super chat it because the list is too long. Yeah, the list is too long. But that's why we're not taking any more on the list at the moment until I've got it down, which is why I've got a bit of a surprise for you in a minute. Hi, Henry. Hello, Henry. How are you this afternoon? Sir Lucas, King of Investments, the Warren Buffett of my lifetime. Good afternoon, Neil. It's great to have you here. Good afternoon, Lance Strength. How are you all this afternoon? I feel like a lottery winner. I went big on 5x leverage position. Get out. Fantastic. Congratulations. I said Robinhood was going to do well, and I'm very, very pleased for you. It's a 4 to 6x. Been saying for the longest time. It's a great balance sheet. It's a great company. Don't listen to all those that don't know what they're talking about. Those that gambled with GameStop, they've got no idea what they're talking about. So I'm really glad that you're making money. It was a no-brainer. Anyway, congratulations. I want to say hello to Kyle Jonak. Hello, Kyle Jonak. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice, Henry. Yes, it is. Congratulations to Henry. It is indeed. All right. Look at my portfolio this afternoon. Looking absolutely great. Here is my portfolio. Started with $5,000. We're at now 67.5. I've never shorted a stock. Never done any options. Don't believe in any of that stuff. Just buy great companies and hold and invest in myself. That's a number one investment you make. And then your intelligence, your mentality, your state of mind to be able to rationally, control what you do on the stocks. That's what it's all about. Look at Palantir and Enphase Go. Let's have a look. Hi, Martin. Hope you're having a great day. Chris Timms. How are you, Chris? Lovely to have you here. Martin, I am tempted to take profits on space again and get back in under 180. What do you reckon? I think it's a good idea. I think the stocks are going to go sideways for about 6 months anyway. So why not? I mean, if you can make profit on it, why not? There's no reason for it to go up. We've got the earnings coming up, but it's not there yet. But anyway, why not? I mean, it makes perfect sense. So Palantir up today 5%. Look at this, and Enphase. No surprise. It really isn't any surprise at all. Enphase is going back to $200 a stock. It's a 3x, in fact. I'd love to be in it. But again, for the benefit of the show, I believe in being out of the stocks, only in the S&P, and being completely impartial. I think that's very, very important for the integrity of the quality of the show. It's what I do. I'm here to bring you the information. Thank you, kind sir. Great to be here. Kyle Jonak, one of our guests today. Thank you, kind sir. Great to be here. Lovely to have you here. Thank you so much indeed. Righto. All right, agree, said Ed Spitzer. I am back in the green with space. Wonderful stuff. Let's have a look at space this afternoon. Look at that. 194, up 12% today. Isn't that great? Isn't that absolutely fantastic? Really, really great. Hi, fly me to the moon. Very romantic day. Oh, look at that. Hey, fly me to the moon. Should we do it properly? Shall we do it properly? Shall I put the echo on? Especially for Zach Zate, for his good lady. See, there's no effects, just echo. Well, fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me know what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Lovely. Hey, how about that? Bit of romance. Let's turn the effects off now. I'm loving it. Very nice indeed. Sing it, Martyn. Oh yes. Sing it. You put your right foot in. You put your right foot in. Your right foot. That's what it's all about. Hey, doodly okie dokie. Bill, how are you, mate? Great to have you here. I'm glad you're feeling a bit better, a bit more chirpy this afternoon. Sing it, says Henry. Yes. Shall we do another one? It is romantic. It is romantic day, isn't it? It's love songs day. Ready? Here's Michael Bolton. Well, a man loves a woman deep down his soul. Love and eyes can never see. He gives up all. He just comforts. Sleep by the rain. There you go. What about that, Mr. Michael Bolton? You can't believe it, can you? You get it all here on this show. All right. Hiya, Bill MSK. It's your show. That's right. So lovely. So lovely, says Zach. We've got Kyle Jonak giving me some beer and a microphone. Hey, look at that. There's Kyle Jonak. Thank you ever so much, Kyle. Really appreciate it, mate. Lovely. All right. Okay. So then, it took the 2,300 profits. Martyn Lucas Investor, LOL, a decision is a decision, even if Virgin Galactic goes to 100 tomorrow. Indeed it is. It's going to happen, and I'm going to miss out on hundreds of thousands of dollars of gains. Absolutely. I've got no doubt about it whatsoever. But I have a bigger mission of growing my show online. And to becoming the best channel in the world. That's what I'm trying to do. That's where my focus is. There it is. That's what I'm doing. I stand by my decision. All right. Okay. But I hope all of you do. I hope space keeps going up and doesn't stop. Hey, very, very good indeed. It's looking very nice indeed. So where am I up today? I'm only up 0.68. But remember though, even though I'm only up 0.68 and many of you are up 20%, 30%, you've got other stocks which are down 20, 30%, and you've not got all your money, at least I wouldn't have thought so, unless you are an all-out gambler. You haven't got all your money in one stock that's up 20 and 30%, because that wouldn't really make sense now, would it? Okay, so the fact is I am up 0.68 as I am most days across my entire portfolio, and it's consistent. And as I say, my aim is not about me, it's about all of you and the show itself. Anyway, there we go. Ed Spitzer, when space touches 150, I'll buy 6,000 for 4,000 shares. Hey, super Ramesh, good afternoon to you. Valentine's Day to you. How are you, Ramesh? Hi from Portugal. Lovely to see you from Portugal. How are you this afternoon? Not much better. Just stuck in my chair all day waiting for what's next. Bill, what's next is the show right here, Bill. Bill, I'm on the big screen now. I'm talking to you. This is to Bill, right? Bill's feeling down. Bill's struggling. So here we go. This is just me and you, Bill. Just me and you. I'm in your living room with you now, Bill. I'm talking to you, Bill. Bill, don't worry, mate. I know life can be up and down. I know life can be difficult, Bill. But the thing is, Bill, we're all here together, mate. There's people here all over the world. Some have got illnesses. Some have got wars. Some have got starvation. Hey, mate, you're better than 99% of all those people. And you've got a family here every day from 58 countries around the world who are all saying, hello, Bill. Don't believe me? Let's prove it. Every single person in the chat, we've got members in 58 countries around the world. Bill is feeling a bit down today. He's one of our, elderly gentlemen? Should I say that? Nah. Should I say that? Yeah, I'll say it. He's an old sod. Yeah, he's an old sod, but he's a war veteran and we love him, right? So here we go. Let's make someone happy today. Hey, Bill, you ready? Members in 58 countries. I'm not going to be the only one. I'm not going to be the only one. There you go. There's my go at it. Now everybody else join in. Everybody else join in. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's read the comments. Let's read the comments. Okay. Keep cash on hand always. Learn that from always. Absolutely right. Especially if you can earn interest on it. If you're not earning interest on it, it's a bit different. Just keep piling into the stocks when they're down. All right. So anyway, Momo the Great. Hello, Martin. How are you? Great to see you, mate. Always look on the... Always... All right, then. Here we go. All right. We're doing... Is it songs today? Is it songs? Songs Wednesday? Songs Wednesday, innit? Always look on the bright side of life. Bidoo, shidoo, bidoo, bidoo. Life's a bit of shit when you look at it. Face the music with the bang. When you're feeling in the drizzle, don't grumble, just whistle. Because everything will turn out for the best. We always look on the bright side of a life. Chip-um, chip-um, chip-oo, chip-oo, chip-oo. Oi! You gotta have a laugh, ain't you? Those of you if you're gonna write in, all right, some of you are thinking, I'm gonna write into the management. We do have a filing cabinet. We have a filing cabinet for the complaints. So look, even Bill's done it. Look, even Kyle over here. Let me show you. Look, Kyle Jonak. Hello, Bill, from the United States of America. Hey, Kyle Jonak, he's actually in Canada. Old Bill is in Canada. There you go. Look at that. All the way from the United States of America. On Rumble. Look, on Rumble, we're saying hello. Can you believe it? You can't believe it, can you, Bill? I know you just can't believe it. Right, he's thinking, I can't believe it, actually. You're right, I can't believe it. Hello, Bill. There we go. Thank you, I do good, says Ramesh. I'm loving it. Hello, Bill from England, Yorkshire. Oh, here we go. Yorkshire song now. Ready? Do you know what that is? I'll tell you what that is. That's Yorkshire. That's Yorkshire for Hovis bread. Right. Carl Jonak says, buy rum. Why? Why should we buy rum? Shall we put rum on the screen? There's Rumble. Rumble, 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 rumble. Rumble is up today to 3.26. It's up 3.26. Looking pretty good. Good tip there, mate. Good tip from Carl Jonak. We're loving it. We're loving it. Okay, fair enough then. Fair enough then. Let's move along. Let's move swiftly along. Hey, Bill, Millhead Tube. Bill, we love you. Sax 8, there we go. Hello, Bill from New York. Oh my gosh, it's another one. Bap, bap, Ba-da-da-ba-ba. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today, right to the very heart of it, in old New York. You can't believe it, can you? You tuned in today for a bit of stocks and shares, and you can't believe it. We're all making money. Making money's easy. The hard part is to keep it. Anyone can make money on the stock market. Easy. The hard part is to keep it. Anyone can do it. Happy Valentine's Day, Bill. Hey, Bill, there we go. Hello, hello, hello. Bill's happy now. Look. Bill's happy now. US intelligence finds that Russia wants to put nuclear weapons in space. Will they partner with SPCE? Probably. They might as well. They might as well strap a bomb to the rocket. Nothing better to do, have they? I love you, Bill. You're my boy. Jose Quintana. Always look at the positives, I guess. Bill, you're the man. Kisses to Starbuck. Oh, yeah. You don't want to go around kissing a parrot, mate. Hornius Maximus, Martyn Lucas Investor. Hornius Maximus. What's that got to do with anything? I love that song. Monty Python, Holy Grail, is the best movie ever made. Rallo 1. You don't know the half of it. He's not coming out. Now go away. He has a mother, you know, incontinentia buttocks. Oh, yes, there we go. Vaz, Bill, how are you, mate? It's healthier to be content during the parts of life that are just simple living. Yorkshire sounds very depressing. It's all like that, mate. Everything in Yorkshire is all... It's all that. It's that. There's nothing else going on in Yorkshire. Henry might disagree. Is Robinhood looking likely for aftermarket moves? Let's have a look. Robinhood. Right. Robinhood is a 4 to 6x. If you've not yet seen my analysis, I strongly recommend you go and check it out. Have you done it yet? Do you know how to do it? Do you actually know how to do it? Or are you just a little bit confused? Right? Shall I show you? Go above the video like this. This is what you do, right? See the search bar at the top? See the search bar? You go like this. You go Martyn Lucas. You got to start with that. You might as well. It's my name. Martyn Lucas. And then you go Hood. Hood. So if I've done anything to do with Robinhood, it will come up. Martyn Lucas Hood. Click enter. And what do you get? You get the Robinhood earnings. We like that. Yes, Robinhood earnings. What else have we got? The Robinhood earnings edit. What else have we got? We must have more than that. Robinhood is here in the UK. What else have we got? Is that it? Oh, hang on a minute. What is this? What do we see? Robinhood analysis. Now, if anyone would like me to do it again, I'm happy to do it again for a member. Only for a member, though. Only for members, all right? Got to do it for a member. So anyway, there you go. That's how you know if I've done something, and then you can request it and say, oi, I'm a member. I would like you to do this for me. And I'll go, all right then. See how easy that is? I just allocated 400 on SCYN of AI. Takes our jobs. I strongly believe Sin will be the toost adopters. The toost? What's all that mean? I've no idea what that means. The first adopters. All right then. Not me, I'm toast. Don't say that, Bill. Can't believe it. Hornius Maximus is Brian's dad. Is Brian's dad's name Hornius Maximus? Life of Bright. Now I know. Bill is my gifting mentor. He is. Shall we show you what I mean? It started with a kiss. Yes, it did. It started like this at Christmas. There's Bill. Bill has been eating Ready Brek that's nuclear radiated from Russia. See that? Look, he's been eating Ready Brek, and then once that happened, and he did all the memberships. Yardstick thought, I can do this. I'm gonna buy a mug. I'm loving it, and a suit. Yeah. Now Yardstick has got a competition coming up soon, so bear with us, and we'll do it for you. All right. We'll be coming up soon. Now then. Is Sensei in the chat? Is Paul Knowles in the chat? Antonia Dela Cruz, are you in the chat? What about Ranveer Lavoisier, John McGillivray, Bill Oberkirsch, Tokash Charles, and Michelle? Are any of you in the chat? Are any of you in the chat? Because I've got your reviews. Francesco Santos, what do you want to know? 14th day, a bit of space at the dip. 14th day, a bit of space at the dip. Let's have a look at space right now. Virgin Galactic, look at it. Look at it, up 13% today. England, where is the left? Where the left is right and the right is wrong. That's right, Zach Zate. That's right. Coinbase. What about Coinbase? What do you know about Coinbase that I don't know? Should I share it? I've just done a review on it. It's already the best video in the world on Coinbase. Everyone's already talking about it all over the world. They can't believe it. Have you seen Martyn Lucas's review on Coinbase? The moment he talks about it, happens every time. Every time he makes a video on a stock, boom. If he says it's great, it goes up every time. Have you not seen that video yet? I just made that up. But it happens though. It just happens to be a fact. But did you put yourself further in debt gifting? It was fun, but like everything, it did cost more than I had. Oh dear, Bill. You shouldn't have done it if you can't afford it, Bill. Hey, Bill, if you can't afford it, mate, don't do it. Flipping heck, Bill. It's lovely if you're doing it, but don't do it if you can't afford it, Bill. I don't want you getting in trouble like that. Hey, Martin, is buying Momentous suspended in Robinhood as well? Let's have a look. Momentous. MNTS. MNTS. Is it suspended on Robinhood? No, it's not. This stock has recently experienced elevated volatility, but no, it's not suspended. No, it's not. It is not suspended, so we're all good. Don't you worry about it. No, it's not. Okay. Now then. So do we have in the chat right now Sensei, Paul Knowles, Antonio Dela Cruz, Ranveer Lavoisier, John McGillivray, Bill Oberkirsch, Togash Charles, or Michelle? Are any of you in the stock, in the show right now? Because I want to give you a gift. Now we've also got a $100 giveaway. Now, Kyle Jonak says, I opened a Robinhood yesterday after finding the show on Rumble. I opened a Robinhood yesterday. Did you use my referral? Because if you did, you got free shares. Did you do it? I bet you didn't, did you? I bet you didn't. I bet you didn't use my referral. I can't believe it. Has everyone got my referral? I'm very upset now. He didn't do it, did he? Right, here we go. Who wants to earn some free money? Watch. Look. Invite a friend. Get $500 to $200 worth of stock. You ready? Who wants some free money? Flipping Kyle Jonak didn't do it, did he? Unbelievable. Share the link. There's my link. There's my phone. Copy, look. See, I'm copying it. Now I'll put it in the chat. You ready? You ready? Here it comes in the chat. If you're in the United States of America and you click on that right now in the show, you will get free stock. So will I, and I will share with you what I get. You got it? Now then. Now then. Let me give it to everybody else. Because there's people going, I didn't see that. I want that as well. I didn't see it. Did you not see it? Well, if you didn't see it, I'm going to give it you now. Here it comes. You ready? No one gets left behind. No one. Not even Carl Jonak. Mind you, it's a bit late for Carl Jonak, though, because he's already signed up. So what can I say to him? Right? Let me give you the link. Here we go. There it is. I've given it away. Everyone's got the link now. Got the link? I hope you have. Okay. I've given everyone the link. Good evening, everyone. Henrik from Denmark. And we've got Neil's in the chat now. Neil said, we're one password away from hacking the Space Investor Manager. We're one password away from hacking the SPC Investor Manager. You put some more zeros in the earnings report. You put some more zeros in the earnings report. Oh, I see. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Jordan Allen. Niels, that would be interesting, wouldn't it? Yeah, we all know what we're talking about this morning. That was terrible. That should never have happened. Right, okay, now then. Okay. We must have Sensei, Paul Knowles, Antonio De La Cruz, Ranvir Lavosia, John McGillivray, Bill Oberkirch, Togas Charles, and Michelle. We must have one of those. Jordan Allen, hopefully tomorrow I'll get to your review. But we've got GoDB. Now, so let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this because I'm just too nice. I shouldn't do this. This is me being too nice. Space getting some love from Luna. Niels, that would be good. Ladislav Korech. Good evening, everybody. Looks good so far. Thanks again for testing review, Martin. Laszlo, you're very welcome. Ladislav, you're very welcome. I enjoy doing it. Just found out Robinhood has an iPad app. Well, of course it bloody does. Of course it bloody does. If it's got an iPhone app, it's got to have an iPad app, innit? Anyway, it's got the website. Don't worry about all that. But Vaz, it's great to have you here, mate. Do you want to be a member of the channel? There you go. Now then. I'm excited. My bad. It's okay, Kyle. Can everyone share some commiserations? By the way, I'm trying to win a prize today on Rumble. I've been nominated. I'm not going to win. I'm breaking all the rules. I'm not going to win, but, you know, it's fun trying, isn't it? I've got the best studio. Everyone knows it's the best show. Whether Rumble know it or not, it doesn't matter. Right, look. Kyle Jonak. There's Kyle Jonak. Look, he said, my bad. Yeah, it's your bad, all right? Because you've missed out on some free shares. Yeah. You got to pay more attention to my show. You miss out. You snooze, you lose, right? Hey, guys, here's Mike. How are you, Mike? Great to have you here, Mike. Now then. So, has everybody here got an announcement to make? I've got an announcement. Let's have a little look. Let me just check me Discord at the minute. Folks, we are really, really close now to having a public channel on Discord. This is massive news. Took a lot of work, but look at this. This is Discord, where we share 24-hour-a-day information to the members only, remember? Right? Server settings. Look, I'm showing you as I'm doing it. Look, discovery, public channel. Look at this. Right? We have got a safe environment. Tick. We've got 1,000+ members. Tick. We meet the age requirements. That's good, isn't it? We've got to be at least 8 weeks old. That's not hard, is it? 8 weeks. No bad word. Right, no one swears. That's good. We've got high level of security. That's good. But there's one thing we need. Failed server activity. You're not busy enough. You're not commenting enough on the server. And if we become a public channel, everything's going to go up really quickly. Apparently, maybe it won't, all right? Anyway, if you click on here, it tells you more details. Yesterday, we were at 17. We've got to get to 20. Look at this. Look, we're at 18 out of 20. 18 out of 20. We are just a couple of steps away from becoming a public server. Get in. So all we need now to become a public server like the big boys. Look, with 36,000, the Fall Guys, Star Wars. You know my godfather, Kenny Baker, R2-D2. They're all public channels. They're all public channels. We can be a public channel just like Star Wars. Just like Star Wars, right? But we just need everyone to engage. So, if you're not yet on my Discord server, let me give you this. We've got enough members. We just need everyone now to comment, engage, like everything, just for a few days. You can go back to being lazy again afterwards, right? There's Discord. All right, I've put it in the chat for you. I'm going to give it now to everybody. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let me put it on the screen. Okay. All we need, this is very exciting, isn't it? I reckon we can do it within a week. I reckon we can do it within a week if everyone gets off their asses. If everyone sits on their asses, it won't happen. If everyone's lazy, It won't happen. But if everyone gets busy, it will. Right? There's the link. Everyone's got the link now. And remember, if you're a non-member, you can still see the public channels. If you want to be a member, if you want to get all the members only channels, you've got to upgrade. And I can upgrade you live on the show, okay? Right. I don't know how to Discord. You don't know? Well, we'll teach you. Click on that link, Vincent. Come through to the welcome channel and I'll upgrade you. Because you're a member of the show, so I can upgrade you. It's just like you got different channels. It's just like Windows. You got channels like a window, and then you got subcategories. So you got subjects that people talk about: crypto, stocks, suggestions for the show, links for the show, things you want me to research, all that kind of stuff. It takes a little while, but if you can use an iPhone or a computer or any sort of device, you can do it. I believe in you. I reckon you can do it, and you can be part of the revolution. All right, part of the Lucasades. Ramen, I took profits again, about 2,300. If it keeps going, fine. But if it tanks again, great. I'll get back in. Chinese stocks are flying higher these days. Yes, lots of good news coming out of China now. Do we think Robinhood will break 14 by the end of the week? Well, in my opinion, Robinhood is a 4 to 6x. $40, $50, $60 in a few years. So yes, will it break in a few weeks? I don't know the answer to that, but it will eventually. I'm the most active in Discord and not even a member. Get your members to work, Martin. Niels, are you not a member of the show? No, you're not a bloody member, are you? You're not a member of nothing. Why aren't you a member of this channel? Unbelievable. Habak. Look. Abak's completely wrong. Abak says, not interested in signing up for another website. Well, guess what, Habak? First of all, it's free. And number two, it's not a website. It's a server, and it's completely free. It provides you with the most honest, reliable stock information that is unbiased, unsponsored, unpromoted, real, from real investors who are not promoting anything. There's no ads. It's completely free, but he doesn't want it. That's fair enough. I don't know why, but it's free. And it's not a website. I'm sure there is good info there, though. There is good info there, mate. And not only all that, not only do you get great information, it's great people. And the reason why... But one of the main reasons why people do it is because we are starting a movement here. It's like a cult. It is. People say it's like a cult. I don't want to be part of a cult, but they got no choice. That's what it is. This is a cult, right? We have people running outside their houses at midnight in Germany shouting hello. You might have seen that on the show this morning. Yeah, we do. Yeah. Absolutely. It is definitely a cult. It's extreme nonsense, and we love it. That's why everyone's here every day. They can't help themselves. It's like, I don't want to watch, but I can't help it. I have no flipping choice. Anyway, I'm the most active in there, Niels, and I'm not even a member. Hey, Niels. I appreciate you, Niels. In fact, I appreciate you more because you're not a member. Because I reckon if you were a member, you'd become lazy like my members. They're all lazy. How rude. Assuming I'm lazy and I'm on my ass all day. Oh, Leo Sudbury, here we go. This guy was talking rude yesterday. This guy, Leo Sudbury, he's not a member either. He just comes in to have a go at me. He came in yesterday and he came in the chat. As you know, I actually make the live videos during the live shows. I make the videos during the live shows. How else can I be live all day unless I'm going to do it during the live shows? I have this special super talent that I can make videos live. No one else can do it. Meet Kevin Graham Stepan. They've all got a team of editors. I do it all live using all my sensors and buttons and 14 screens and all this stuff behind me. All of this is going all at once. Right? So I make the videos live. Anyway, so I made a video during the live show and Leo Sudbury came in. He went, I'm not watching this. I've already seen it. Goodbye. Well, you came in. You came in to watch it. What can I say? How else am I supposed to make it? I make it live so you can see it. And if you want to watch it live, you watch it live. If you want to watch the main video, you watch the main video. But you don't have to be rude and say goodbye. I mean, don't watch it then. Anyway, Leo Sudbury's a good bloke. I'm just having a laugh. But now he's having a go at me because I'm saying how rude, assuming I'm lazy. Maybe you are lazy. I don't know. Are you lazy? Are you lazy, Leo? Well, you came in and said, I'm not watching this. I've already seen it. So what does that mean? I don't know. NVVC. Raman. Not mine. Trust Securities right raises space from sell to hold and price target from 3 to 1. Thank you, Malk. Hi, Malk. If Luna lands on the moon, can that also take the stock to the moon? Milled Tube, you know, that's a good idea, mate. If they put the stocks in the back of the truck, on the back of the rocket, definitely. Right? Niels, DTSS is 530% up. Sam! And there he is. It's Rocket Man. How's going, you crocodile rocker? Hey, Sam, just for you. Sam, just for you. Because I don't want anyone to accuse me of not speaking to every single person, even though they're not members. Even though they're not members. Just for you, Sam, on Valentine's Day. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Just for you, Sam, on Valentine's Day. Do you like it? Of course he likes it. Data C is not whole China ramen. Hi, Mike. Mount UK. Ali Flipping Barber doesn't move. Ali Flipping Barber's rubbish. I wouldn't buy it. I've done a review on it. Ali Barber, I recall that interview between Jack Ma and Elon Musk. Cringe. Remember it? I've done a review on it. Don't believe me? You want to see the review? Look, here's the review. Here's the review. How do you do? Remember, go in the search bar. Go Martyn Lucas. You'll be familiar with this in a minute. BABA. Click enter. What do you see? The Alibaba analysis. I've done a full analysis on it. I told you it was rubbish. Did you listen? No. Should you listen? Yeah. Free information here. All right, easy, innit? See how easy I make this for you guys? It's like I work too hard. Luna up 94%, 1 month. Darn, I missed that one. Happy for anyone who got it. Got some of that Luna sauce? It was MSK. Don't remind me of it, Niels. I don't think you're a cult, Martin. But whatever you say, I will agree with 100%, oh master of my destiny. There you go. That is the power of the cult right there. He's in a cult and he doesn't even realize he's in it. That is how much this is a cult. He doesn't even realize. It's all brainwashing. I make you watch YouTube every day. You can't help it, right? Mark Saxby. He's a very successful, very decent, intelligent chap. But I don't think you're a cult, Martin. But whatever you say, I agree with. 100% oh master of my destiny. Mark, you're in a cult, mate. Accept it. Embrace it. Take it for what it is. It's good to be part of a cult. I'm in my own cult. I've joined my own. I'm in it. I'm happy with it. Yeah. I'm actually a paid member of this channel. Yeah, I am. MSK, I still have Virgin Galactic. I don't touch it. Alibaba Intelligence. Raman, were you before the damn DTSS went up? Why won't you give me the alerts? Raman, what is going on here? I don't understand what you're saying. Baba announced more buybacks than Meta, but sold off. Made me want to eat my Robinhood socks. I love it, Sam. That's just for you, Sam. You know it is. Valentine's Day. Martin is a little what? A little troll today. Is that a troll? Martin is a little troll today. How can I troll my own bloody channel, Vincent? You can't troll your own channel. It's not possible. 20 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic is still going up. Let's have a quick look. Palantir is up. Gold is up. The S&P is going up again. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Did I get the best trade or what? When the S&P went down 2% yesterday, I went, I'm deploying all my remainder of cash. And you all thought I was wrong, didn't you? And now it's gone back 1%. That's a swing of 3% in 24 hours. You all thought I was wrong. You did admit it. Tell the truth. You thought I was wrong. How wrong are you? How wrong are you? Now look at my portfolio. 67,751 from $5,000 in 2.5 years. No options. No shorting of the stocks. How about that? How about that, everybody? You can't believe it, can you? Happy Valentine's Day to you and Leah. Thank you, Sam. No, Ali has billions cash on hand. I also use Alibaba for my business. Use it more because I'm 25% down. Temu, PDD, offer better incentives. Free refunds from both. A lot of them. They're not doing very good, actually. Zaxate, 9 what? Just no one wants to touch China. It's the manipulation, isn't it? It's the manipulation, isn't it? Jeffrey Diamond, Jordan Allen. I've been marinating in Lunasaur since pre-market. Right. Enough of this debacleness. I've got a little treat. Who wants to hear my treat? I've got a treat. If you want to hear my special treat, look at this. Look at the subscribers. 16,059. It's 100 a day now. Some days slightly more. Look at that. 16,059. By tomorrow morning, we'll be at 16,1. It's crazy, isn't it? You can't believe it, can you? Right. If you want my little treat, if you want my treat, you've got to put in the chat, show me the treat. Right, here we go. Show me the treat. Okay. If you want to see the treat, show me the treat. All right. Because I've got a little surprise for you. Because you've been too good to me. I've got too many followers, too many subscribers, more than I deserve. So I thought, right, I've got to work harder. Got to work harder. Rap is down today. Let's have a little look. Rap. RAP. Especially GoDB. Is GoDB in the chat? And I think Ed Spitzer particularly. Is it Ed Spitzer? Yes, Ed Spitzer. Is GoDB in the chat? Let me just have a look. I don't know if GoDB is here. I don't know if he is. Anyway, let's do Rap a second. Rap Technologies. Yes. It's if you look at it though, over the 3 months, it's on a steady uptrend. All you've got since we started talking about it, ever since we featured it, it goes up every day. But what you've got is you've got profit taking along the way. That's all it is. I'm perfectly fine with that. Show me the treat. There you go. Dawn Potterus. I knew she would join in. Hey, listen here, folks. Can you believe it? This is the negativity and the selfishness and the badness of social media. It's all about greed, me. That's why this channel is going to be the best channel in the world. Because it's all about you. It's not about me. And I've proved it by being live every day for 2.5 years. And I'm going to be live every single day into the day I fall off my chair. All right? No one else will ever do that. No one else is crazy enough. Mr. Beast doesn't do that. He's got a team of people making all his videos. He doesn't go live every day, all day long. No one does. I'm the only person online who does. And listen, this is the definition of selfishness, me, and getting it all wrong. Getting it all wrong. Being small-minded and petty. Let me explain it to you. Dawn Potterus, a lovely lady who makes pots, and she lives in Scotland. She's got to be lovely. She lives in Scotland, right? Here she is. She's one of my members. She's one of the Lucasades. She loves the show. She watches every day while she makes pots with her husband in Scotland. And she loves what we do. And she loves all the reviews. It's information on stocks. And the videos trend on Google and YouTube. And it's good news, right? It's good news for the stocks. So she likes the reviews. So she's in a group on X that is all about stocks. She's in a big group. Information for stocks. And she likes to share the information that she has found about stocks, just like everybody else in the group. However, Dawn got told off today because she was spamming, because she was sharing my videos. Not me. It wasn't me promoting me. It wasn't me sharing my content. It was Dawn, who is a member of this group, sharing information about stocks. She's full of life. She's happy. She's positive. She's a great lady. She makes great pots. She's from Scotland. And she's sharing information to this group. And she got banned or told off or thrown out of the group because she's sharing information. And the reason why I mention this is what's wrong with the world. People create groups and they want it to be about them. It's only my information. It's only me. Come to me for me. It's not about everybody else. This channel is about you. You ask me to make a video, I make a video. I never share it on anyone's site. I never go anywhere. I just create my content, people come to me. But my viewers, the Lucasades, the family, like to share the information. That's how we get interviews with the CEOs. That's how we got Rap. That's how we got our other interview. And that's how we're going to get many more in the future. Because people like to share information, build a family and awareness and all the rest of it. So she did that and she got banned from spamming their channel. How ridiculous. So we don't want information. We just want you to absorb our information and share our information. And this is why I loved what Crag was doing yesterday, because Crag was sharing it on not his, but he's a member of a Reddit channel. And they loved it. They said, let's all invite the CEO of Funware onto Martyn's show. They were using the fact that these videos are trending and #1 on Google and YouTube. They're doing really well. And they're going, we want to, get on board and stuff like that. And they all, whatever. They weren't going, we're only sharing our videos. They don't make any videos. Or maybe they do, maybe they don't. But this group was against it. And I thought that was horrible. How could they treat the lovely lawn like that? Big shout out to Oil Man Stephen Lewandowski if he's listening for the Matador tip. Mount QK. Yeah, where is Stephen? I hope Stephen's not unwell. We've missed Stephen. I better text him and find out where he is. I keep telling Jack Ma to join the show. See? Niels? He keeps calling Jack Ma. Emra says GSAT. If you want me to review it for Emra, become a member and I will review the stock for you. Oh, yes, there's the membership link. Wow, won the membership of the year, was it, Mike? Who won the membership of the year? It's actually the best trophy, it's called. Get it right, Dawn. I've got to make the video. I know who the winner is. I just haven't announced it yet. I've got to announce it. I've got to announce it. Go, Jeffrey. Take a bow. Jeffrey. What did Jeffrey do? I've been marinating in Luna. Go, Jeffrey. Take a bow. You're leaving money on the table, Martyn. I made 40% yesterday. I am down 50% today. You're leaving money on the table, Martyn. I made 40% yesterday, and I'm down 50% today. But what do you mean I'm leaving money on the table? There's many opportunities that I don't take advantage of because my priority is to the show and to you. And that's the decision I made, and I stand by it. It's the right decision to make. Bless Dawn Potterus. I know. She got banned. You know what, Dawn? I've got an idea for you, Dawn. Dawn, me and you. And we're all going to help Dawn out. You ready? Watch this. You know when we got everyone to buy Dawn's pots? I'm going to help Dawn now. Dawn and everybody else watching the show, listen in. You ready? This is what we're going to do. We're going to show those horrible, negative people on the internet. We're going to show, Dawn, talking to you now, just me and you in your house in Scotland, right? This is what we're going to do, Dawn. We don't need We don't need that big group, selfish people. Oh, we don't. Tell you what, Dawn, and remember, you can't help but do this because you're in a cult, and like Mark Saxby said earlier, that it's mind control. So be aware that I'm making you do this. Okay, it's not your free will. Dawn, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna create. Dawn, you're gonna create on X a group. You're going to create a stock group. You're going to create an X account. It's completely free. Just do it. Just go with it, Dawn. Create an X account on X, a little group. Whatever. I've never done a group, so I don't even know how to do it, but I'm sure you do because you've joined one. Set up a group about stock information. All of us here, every one of us, are going to join it. You're going to have the quickest growing group, way faster than the group you're already in. Because everyone here is going to join it just because we're a cult and I've said so, right? We'll all join your group, and you can post every day or whenever you want. You can post, no, every day, Dawn. Listen to me, every day. You can post all of my reviews. And on the Alpha Spread playlist, there's about 70. So you can post 70 straight away. You could have loads of content. All right, do all your hashtags, and you can be the boss of it. You can be in charge of it. And all of us here are going to follow it, support it, and we're going to be bigger, or you're going to be bigger than the other flipping group who banned you. And no one can ban you from your group. How about that, Dawn? How about that? And we'll all follow you, and you'll become a monetized X account way quicker than they will, and you'll actually earn money, and they'll start following you going, hello, Dawn, I thought you were in our group. How come? And you'll go, well, you banned me from creating content. So I built my own group, and Martyn Lucas is supporting it. And all the Lucas age are supporting it. And now we're bigger than you. You can join my group if you want. And I'll ban you. How about that, Dawn? You like that? All right, let's see if she does it. If she does it, we're all going to follow it. Yes, our blessed Dawn Potterus. That's right. Lady from Scotland, did I mention that? She makes pots. Oh, I see. That's why you said my name. I'm very careful when sharing videos. You know how fan clubs are. Yeah. Well, we'll build our own fan club, Ed Spitz, so don't you worry. If they want to argue, I have time. If they want to talk, I have time for that also. There we go. They are rubbish. Yes, they are rubbish. And we're saying it on our show today. We're saying it. We're saying it. I'm going to be very honest. I made more money in 1.5 months by just doing the opposite what you say. Really strange. Ramen, people do that with Jim Cramer all the time. I hear about it. I ain't bothered. Right, here we go. Look at my portfolio. We're about to hit, can we, I reckon tomorrow, because I'm doing about $300 or $400 a day. I reckon tomorrow I'm going to hit $68,000. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. The idea of the show isn't to buy every reviewed company. No, it's not. Ramen, I'm going to get my popcorn because this should be very interesting. We are Sidhu. We are not selling. That's right. I'm loving it. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic a minute, shall we? Because we're all loving it. We're all loving this. 13% in a day. MSK, really, man? That's not normal. Dox them fools. I support doxing. Ramen Wiraj, what's your normal? Tax the poor. Tax the poor, said Niels. Way to go. Way to go. Taylor Whaler. Taylor Whaler? Is that a real name? Taylor Whaler just started watching, starting with 200. Let's see what happens. Taylor Whaler. Welcome to the show, mate. Where are you from? Lovely to have you here. MSK, that I actually made a lot of money doing the opposite. Me too, Ramen. Do your own research. That's right. I will. I'll do it. The Lucas AIDS. Yay. Dawn's going to do it. Dawn is going to start her own group. Dawn, there are rules, though. You cannot try and sell your pots on this channel. Because if we all support you and you end up with 1 million followers on X, which you will, You will, because because as I grow, all my followers are going to follow you, right? Because they will, right? And you'll end up with 1 million followers. Don't use it to sell pots. Don't use it to sell pots. Otherwise, me and you are going to have words. If you start selling pots on your bloody X channel, do it. Do it. Doesn't matter. Do it. Right? Anyway, I'll do it. I will do it. It's going to be called the Lucas AIDS. I love it. Make sure you spell it right, though. Don't misspell my name. If you're going to use my name, spell it right. Let's go. Vincent Vosberg. Vincent Vosberg is going to be the first member of it. Taylor, 200 isn't enough. Initiate dollar cost averaging, SPCE. Richard Garcia, I know, we're loving it. We're loving it. Going up in the after hours, 4 minutes to go. The portfolio is starting to explode. Look at this. Absolutely great. The portfolio's gone berserk. Raman, Can you elaborate, though? I tend to use the channel to gather information more than anything, but I'm curious to know what trades you made. Rubbish. It is. Raman's talking rubbish. Around 30 a trade. Taylor Whaler. MSK. That's the problem. Don't trade. Alabama. Taylor Whaler, it's great to have you here, mate. I'm from Cornwall in England, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Love to have you here. We are to-dos, and we're not going to sell it, Rallo. You've mentioned that already, mate. Yes, Neil. From January, I started to focus more on my own research, and I've really earned a lot of money. In principle, I don't have to do anything for 2 years now. Raman. That's brilliant, Raman. Have you noticed the people that always talk negative about the show are not members? They're always watching. They're always here, but I'm not being a member. I love it. I love it. You can't help yourself. Okay, yeah, the information's here. How you apply it is a different thing. Welcome, Taylor. Everybody, please welcome Taylor. Raman, what's up, mate? I held Amazon where others sold. Vincent, I have given this channel more information than I have received. You can ask anyone here. Come on, Raman, don't be like that. Don't come on my show, right, and say that, you know, you're not getting anything out of it, even though you're here every day, and you have given more than anyone else. That's a bit rude, isn't it? That's a bit rude, isn't it? I'm here every day. I get more information. I give more information than I get. So thank God that Raman's here, everybody. Come on, mate. Be a bit more generous. Be a bit more positive. Be a bit more nice. You get a lot more out of being nice, mate, than just basically running it all down. You're not making any money when you hold. That's the hard part, or it is to keep it. Hello all. Sri Ram. Sell some and take some profits, says MSK. What, me? I'm not selling anything. Lucas, I was a member, but I stopped as I no longer thought it was useful. Unbelievable. Listen to this, folks. He's saying, I was a member, but I don't think it's useful. But I am here every day watching. Well, why are you watching then? Raman, mate, if you don't like the show, if this doesn't bring you positivity every day, if you don't make friends, if you don't get anything good out of life, why be here? Go and find something that gives you positivity, because you certainly get a lot of attention. I speak to you every day of my life. I speak to you, Raman. I help you. I talk to you. If that's rubbish and you don't want it, go and talk to somebody else. I guarantee nobody else will spend hours a day talking to you directly. No way. No way will that happen. Whereas with me, you guess what you get. If you don't like that and you don't value it, that's fine. That's completely fine. If you think it's rubbish, why are you watching? I'll see you tomorrow. I can't disagree. Leo Sudbury. He's the other one. Leo Sudbury's another one. I can't disagree. So what do you want me to do, Leo Sudbury? Raman, do you want us to block you? Do you want to, because you know if you block people, right, you can still watch, so we still earn money out of your ad revenue, right? But you just can't comment anymore. Is that what you want? Do you want us to block you? Because we could do that. I've got Mike in the chat. He'll just block you. And then you just can sit there and be invisible. You won't have a voice. You won't have a say. And we won't have any more of negativity. You are here every day, Raman. You're here every flipping day. And I do it for you do it for my members. For not for you. If I have any information, I want to share it so that your members can earn money. Raman, you oh my God. Raman, you've got the arrogance to be here and to say to me, you're not here for the show, you're here for the viewers. Like it's your show. Is that what you're saying to me? Don't be bothered by my one view. I can stay silent. Okay? Then please do. Raman, let me put it this way, Raman. If you say anything else rude, I'm going to block you. I honestly, the next rude thing you say, I'm going to block you. If you want to come on my show and say, I'm not here for the show, I'm here to help the viewers because you're that important to everybody, then carry on and I'll block you because I don't want silliness and negativity on my show. Absolutely not. Do not need that or want that. We're here to help people because we love people and we have fun. And if you want to be on the negative side of that, then you carry on and I'll block you. One more comment like that and I'll block you. I don't care. Couldn't care less. Right. How silly is that? There you go. Go and create your own channel. You won't do that. It's hard work. Takes a lot of dedication. You don't have to block. I'm gone. Bye. Brilliant. So I'll block you then. There you go. There you go. He's blocked. Raman will never speak again on the show. He can watch, but he can't speak. He'll never be seen again. That's what happens when you're rude. I'm not going to tolerate rudeness on my show. So you are now you're now hidden. So you can watch, but you'll never be seen again. Okay? Absolutely bloody ridiculous. All right. MSK. Crag. Did you, I mentioned you earlier today. I wanted to thank you again for what you did on your Reddit channel. Absolutely incredible. I know it's not your channel. It's the group that you're in. Really, really nice of you. Can't thank you enough for that. Do they understand investing long-term versus day trading? I enjoy hearing information from all the people. That's right, but not the BS. No, well, you won't get any more BS from Raman because he's been hidden forever. You'll never see him again. Wrap just jumped up 4% after hours. No surprise. Look at that. People are scalping this stock. It's trending upwards consistently. It's just being profit-taking along the journey. There's nothing wrong with that. It's perfectly normal. Let's have a look at what's moving tonight because something is up a heck of a lot. Virgin Galactic is up. Palantir is up. Gold. The S&P is flying today. I'm so glad I bought that dip. Flipping heck. Was it the right thing to do or what? Amazon is up today. Apple is down but moving up. Next Era Energy, fantastic. Enphase, just trimming off now. Coca-Cola going up. J&J is going up. Kenvue, Chevron. It's Tesla. 1.7, I think it is, of the S&P. And that's what's going. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla now. So let's have a look. I think the top 10 holdings, let me just look here. Top 10 holdings. Tesla, 1.7. There we go. 1.7 Tesla is of the S&P. So if Tesla is down so much and then Tesla starts to go up, it's 1.7. So it's bound to affect the S&P. But yeah, that was quite a little pump there for a moment. Rivian, McDonald's is up. Google is up. Microsoft is up. Walmart is moving up. Tilray is up. Robinhood's flying away. IonQ doing well. Rocket Lab, 8% today, 7.8. Plug, great company, but awful company. Great company, but awful investors. You know what I mean by that. Do they understand? Oh, hang on a minute. What happened to the show? What happened to the show? No closing bell. Who cares about Raman? Yeah, we got rid of him. He was an arrogant little sod. He thought he was important, so we just got rid of him. What happened to the show? In my laugh my ass off. No closing bell. What do you mean? I rang the bell. Where were you, Peter Tosh? Did you miss it? That's the name of noodles. Ramen. I don't know what you mean. And no bother, mate. Shared on eToro today as well. Wow, thank you ever so much. That's really kind of you. I always eat ramen as dinner with my Chinese holdings. Is it noodles? Is that what it is? So I'm going to do a poll now. I want to ask. Start a poll. Do you agree? Do you agree with me blocking trolls and negativity? Right. So I'm asking you now, as members of the show, do you agree with me? As you notice, I used to never block anyone because I invited everyone onto the show. But I've come to realize that some people are just nasty. Some people are just horrible. Some people just will always be silly and just want attention. So I've, as the show has grown, I've realized that you can't change people. Some people are just horrible, negative. It's their lives that are like that. That's made them the way they are. It's not you. They chose to be here. They don't like it. Why are they here? So I've decided that when people come in that are unpleasant, rude, bring in negativity, just want to be horrible, I don't need them to watch the show. I just block them. They can still watch, but they can't engage anymore. I just do that because I want this family to be fun and exciting and support each other. And that way we all grow, we make money. I mean, Raman's always saying how much money he makes. Probably doesn't have any money, but whatever. So I now get rid of it. If you come in and you're rude, boom, gone. Just like those that try to pretend to be me on the Discord server. I just ban them from Discord. We want people to be nice and real and honest. So do you agree with me blocking trolls and negativity? Yes or no? Should we let them carry on? Or do you agree with me that I block them? So there you go. Start a poll. Don't sell rap. It will sell at a lower price, says Ed. I'm always surprised how some people can't communicate without being rude. Martyn gives everyone a chance. It's the only channel, I am sure, I don't know this, but I'm pretty sure that there's no other channel online that goes live up to 10 hours a day like I do and speaks to every single person. Every single person has a voice to the world. And Raman has just thrown it in the toilet. He now has no voice. Everyone has an opportunity to speak to the world, get something out of it, be positive, have fun, build a friendship. And I will answer every single person. But if you're going to be rude, don't need you. I lost from Bit Brother Tanks. I'm not sure I know what that means. Nice. Tesla. Look at that. Yes. Let's go back to Tesla again. Oh, it's going again. Tesla's going again. 191. Look at this. Buying in from Tesla. What is going on? Big Tesla investors are bearish on the stock over the next 6 to 12 months. Morgan Stanley. Well, what is all that about? We're saying negative stuff, but the stock is going up like crazy. Just in, Elon Musk filed 13G on Tesla with 20% stake. Just in, Elon Musk filed 13G on Tesla with a 20.5 stake. Niels, I need that information. Send it into Discord. I cannot report on it unless I can see it and share it. What have you got for me with Tesla? This is fantastic. Tesla is absolutely flying. Please share the information. Somebody share it on Discord and we'll report it to the world. Ed Spitzer, Raman is the kind of guy that sings about one investment that went well and never talks about the 169 that went wrong. Yeah. Well, you never have a voice again. Eric B, I disagree, Eric. I think it's more rude to lie. Eric B, let's have a look. I disagree, Eric. Eric B. Martin gives everyone a chance. Okay, what's this guy saying? Eric B, I disagree, Eric. I think it's more rude to lie and be kind to someone's face and feel the opposite behind their back. I think it's more rude to lie and be kind to someone's face and feel the opposite. Leo, who's lying? Who's lying and who's being opposite behind someone's back? Are you trying to spread false information? No one is lying here. So, Leo Sudbury, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? I'd like an answer to that. You've got a voice. Use it. I'll answer any question. Ask me anything. What do you mean by that? And I would like to respond to you. Ram has just given the name of the stocks that are already up. Anyone can look that information up. Yes, they can. Good shout, Niels. Yeah, what is going on? We need that information. Can someone share that information? Justin, Elon Musk filed 13G on Tesla with 20.5 stake. Are you telling me that Elon Musk has just bought 20% of Tesla? Is that what you're saying? We all have ideas and hunches. They don't all work. Aha, Peter Tosh, they don't eat ramen noodles in UK. We moved on. Don't block a troll. They are fun. Let's just laugh at them and they will go away in a short. They don't though. They don't, Vaz. You've not been here long enough, Vaz. They don't. They come back every day for attention. Martyn Lucas, I don't think Raman was a troll, but more stupid and misguided. Yes, correct. Being big-headed after a couple of good trades. Correct. Leo, we have a choice who we want to be around. Don't stay and be rude. If you don't like it, move on. I feel like Raman had a lot of chances. He did. I gave him chance after chance after chance. He didn't want it. He just wanted to bury himself, and he did very well. He succeeded in that. Every time someone's mentioned MSK in reply text, I thought it was a stock. Yeah, I do. MSK maybe. Jeffrey Diamond, I am a great investment. I gifted Raman a free membership. They're always trolls lurking in the shadows. Oh well, we have to give them a chance. That's right, Jordan. Give everyone a chance, and they bury themselves over and over again. Happens every single day. If they are a real nuisance or just being purposely negative, it's one thing. But some of your biggest fans may have a bad day and may be in a bad mood. We are dealing with money. Peter Tosh, there's never any reason to be rude, mate. Never. And it wasn't once. He's been doing it consistently for weeks and weeks and weeks. And I allow it to go on for weeks and weeks. And in the end, I go, enough's enough. All right? You poke the bear and eventually the bear wakes up and bites your head off. We're just not going to put up with it, are we? Raman's voice is now the sound of silence. That's a good song, Craig. It is. Like David Darman from Disturbed. Yes. Well, Peter is back. Who's Peter? Who's Peter? Well, Peter is back. I know what Leo is saying. Raman is a straight shooter. He means what he says, and that's the least we can expect from anybody. That's why I like a lot of people. Yeah, but you can't be rude, though. There's no excuse to be rude. Cisco cutting 5%. Just in. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway sold 10 million shares of Apple. Apple during Q4. Niels, you must send this in. If you've got this information, I don't see it, send it in. I'm looking now. Apple is going down. Look at that. Well, Tesla is going up. Someone just bought 1.1 share of Tesla. Someone just bought 1 share of Tesla. What do you mean, 1.1? Do you just bought 1 share of Tesla? Tesla news. Links for YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. Links for YouTube. Hey! Someone anonymous has just bought in the shop. I'm loving it for Valentine's Day. It says someone. It doesn't say who it was. Who just bought one of the I'm loving it mugs? I'm loving it. Who just bought an I'm loving it mug in the shop? General chit chat. Randy B. Nice recovery today. Randy B. Oh, that's nice. My wrap position. Thank you for sharing that. Let me give that some big love. There you go. And some love. We want to see you making money. Do you know what? Sod it. And a thumbs up. Do you know what? Sod it. I'm going to give him the salute as well. He's getting all four rewards today because you're stuck with it. And that's exactly what investing is all about. Links for YouTube. SEC. Elon Musk. Elon Musk. Check the appropriate box. Sole voting power. Page 1. 13G. The remainder of the information is acquired. Page 1 of 5. Elon Musk. SEC. Shared. Number of shares owned. 715 million. Sole aggregates. And better owned. Percent of class representative amount. 20%. Pages 2 of 5. February the 14th. Elon Musk. I'm just reading it all now. I'm just trying to process it all. Number of shares owned. Let me do some more research a minute. This is good. Just come out. No one's reporting on it at all. March. I'm just checking information. Hang on a minute. This happened. Common stock. December the 31st. Date of which event requires filing of this statement. December the 31st. Just reading it now. Shares which include shares of common stock by Unanimous Trust 2003. Amount officially owned. Shares which includes shares of common stock held. Which includes 411. So he'd already had that. Options 303,000. I'm just reading it now to fully understand it. Common stock exercise for 60 days, December the 31st, 2023. Percent of class 20.5. Calculated at percent of class 20. Ownership was calculated based on 3,184,519,000 shares outstanding as of December the 31st. Shares of common stock. Okay. So this was filed under the Securities Act. Stock. SEC, Sol, number of shares. Okay, aggregate. Okay. It's a lot to read. Provide the following information. Okay. So that makes 715 million. February the 14th, Elon Musk. Okay, that's the day. Let me read the comments. Tesla news. Please, someone check the information from Niels. Don't know if it's true. My friend Musk 13G. I'm just reading it now. 1 million. 1.1 million. Hey all, I've been a little while since extra job. Seth Houston. How are you, Seth? Ladislav, correct. Discord, my friend. I'm looking at it now. I have been trying to do more alert on the trolls, but I will not rudeness. I have been trying to do more alerts. I have been trying to be more alert on the trolls, but I will not tolerate rudeness. Thank you, Mike. Most entertainers don't read every comment. It's actually highly discouraged. I love that you do, though. It's like a reality show. The Kardashians. I don't have a big curved bum, though. Mike, I don't get that. Do you? It's a new thing now, having a big curved bum. Years ago, you'd be called fat ass. Now, apparently, it's great if you've got a big bum. Years ago, if you had a big bum, they would say, "Oi, you got a fat ass." Now it's sexy, apparently. Mike and me had a run-in a few weeks ago to establish a dominance on the page, and he says something kind like gorillas beating their chest when it's all good, Peter. Warren Buffett updated Q4 links on YouTube. Good guy. We all love you. Absolutely. Peter Tosh. Load of old Tosh. I thought my shout out was cute, mate. It was very funny. It was Zoj. It probably won't stop the Tesla bleeding. It was cute. Beat your chest. Carry on. If I bleed, it can be killed. I don't consider Tesla a good buy anymore until they come out with these sex bots. Hey, it's not about sex bots, mate. They're about to make you toast. That's it. Make your tea and toast. No more than that. Yeah, remember Drillian? Yeah, we got rid of Drillian as well. He was another flipping idiot. MSK. I just thought of that, actually. I just thought of something. No. Oh, by the way, I just thought you might like to know, Raman is still watching. By the way, Raman, we know you're still watching. All right? If you come back and say, he can't come back, can he? He can't. I have to go. Much love. Ed Spitzer. See you later, mate. Elon Musk previously held 13%, now 20%. Yeah, that's what I'm reading now. I just want to make sure we get it right. Take care, Ed. Lilium hitting $1. Yes, Malk, I'm in. I can't share you. I can't share you an article. Only official filing, as it is just in. Coinbase flying, me too, MSK, 1.1 million. If I get into Coinbase now, it'll sink. Funny, I recommended it and it rockets. Chris Pickering. Oh, don't you start, mate. Right, here we go. Here we go then. So I've just got it here. I want to get this right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, Tesla. Portfolio is up 1%. Look at this. I should hit 68,000. Yeah, I'll hit 68,000 tomorrow. Right. Breaking news. Tesla. We've got everything we need. Tesla. Okay. Pete Barker's here. Looks like Elon's going to get his wish with 25%. Yes, I didn't ban. No, I did. Poll for Ramen. Let's have a look. So let me finish the poll. The poll is, do you agree with me blocking trolls and negativity? 77% said yes. There you go. Majority rules. Martin fully banned Ramen's life earlier, Mike. Yeah, I took care of it. Ain't got time for it. Right. Okay. Breaking news. What's going on? How many people are watching right now? 10. Whoa. 442 views in the last hour. That's amazing. 16,059. 16,063. Will be 16,100 by the morning. Within about a week, will be 17,000. I can't believe the rate of the growth is just bonkers. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right. Down payment for my tea and toast. Right. We're going to report on that. Right. We're going to report on that. The tea and toast robot. That's what it's all about. Right. Here we go. It's got to be done, isn't it? It's got to be done, isn't it? Right. Here we go. Transport. I got me Tesla. Yeah, I got me Tesla. Right. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tesla. We got some information. Yep. We're driving down the road once again. What's happened? What's happened in the last few minutes? Do you want to know? Shall I share with you? Have you tapped the like button yet? Do you deserve to know what's going on? Because you've got to tap the like button. If you don't tap the like button, I don't know if I can share with you, but we've seen Tesla rise in the last few minutes. It's very exciting as I tap my keyboard, because that's me, by the way. That is me. We've got some very exciting news. Do you want to see what it is? Just sent in. Took me about 10 minutes to read it through. Took flipping ages. Lots of numbers. Lots of white numbers on black screens. Well, we've got an amendment. We've got an amendment number 14 under the Securities Act of 1934. We've got a document here, a 13G, and this is Elon Musk has been busy. Now, we kind of knew this. On the last earnings, he was talking about buying more shares of Tesla and that he'd acquired more. He didn't want to take over the company, though. He just wants to be able to protect the stock price, but not be able to take over the whole company. Remember, we talked about that with Dojo. He didn't want to be the one who controls AI. That was on the last earnings. However, we do have a filing today that has just been completed. If I scroll down to the date to give us the information, I've just been reading it through. Takes quite a while. Look, February the 14th. This has just come out. Brand new information. Hot off the press. Elon Musk, February the 14th, a few moments ago. He now owns 20% of Tesla. And that is up from 11. So he's buying back in Tesla, which is great. We like that. So that's why the stock has surged. Now, if you want to read this filing, it's on our Discord server. I'll give you the link and you can access our Discord server. You may already be a member. But if not, I'll put the link is below in the description of this video. This is great news that Elon Musk is buying back in the stock, and that's why it's rallying up at the moment. So it's great for the stock. We're printing money again, of course, with Tesla. And as always, we're driving down the road. Here's another one. Look, you like all this B-roll? Found this on the internet. Look. It's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing what you can do with B-roll. I do like it, though. It does make things look quite good. I've done it. So there you go. Tesla. If you tap the like button, have you left a comment below in the description? Because you know if you leave a comment, I reply to everyone's comments. Everyone's. Even the bad ones. Yeah, in fact, the bad ones are more fun. But to be fair, I only reply to the members. So if you want to comment back, please become a member of my channel. There you go. So this is what's happened in the last few minutes. I do want to thank one of my members, Niels, for sending it in. He found it and reported to us. So you can see here some more detail. 715 million shares. Look, that's as much as I can zoom in. You can see 20% now he owns of Tesla. Very, very nice indeed. Elon Musk is the major shareholder for Tesla now. This is great. Great. It shows he's backing the company again and everything is good. Stop selling your shares, Elon, and hold on to them this time. Wouldn't that be great? So there you go. Some breaking news tonight for you. I love this. We love Tesla here. Now, just so you know, full disclosure, I'm not in the stock. I only own the S&P 500. So you know the information is real. I'm not pumping stocks. I don't own any stocks other than the S&P. But look how it's put the S&P up tonight. It's 1.7% of the S&P, and we tend to find that the S&P not only goes up because of 1.7 of the S&P, but then other stocks go up when Tesla does well. It's just the way it works. So there you go. This is my portfolio. Started with $5,000. Don't do any options. Don't do any shorts. Started with $5,000, and we're just about to hit $68,000, and I'm only in the S&P. If I share with you, there is my S&P on my brokerage. As you can see, 100% of my portfolio. And if I go to my Roth IRA, scroll down, exactly the same, 100% of my portfolio. So you know this is not pumping and dumping. I share my real trades, my real positions with everyone. In fact, Robinhood is my bank account. So there you go. Great news tonight. Thank you, Niels, for sending it in. If you tap the like button, and now I've just done a review, an analysis, a projection on Tesla. Do you want to see that review? Of course you do. It's the best review online. And do you know how you know it's the best review online? I'm going to share with you now how you know it's the best review online. This is what you do. Let me give you a little tip here, right? This is my video running right now. If we go to the search bar at the top and you type Martyn Lucas, you're going to find out why it's the best review ever. Martyn Lucas, and then go TSLA, the ticker symbol, click enter, and then here you go. What you get is a few Tesla videos. Look, scroll down, scrolling. Keep going. There it is, Tesla analysis. And you want to know why it's the best? Look, the best, most entertaining Tesla fundamental technical analysis review ever. So how do you know it's the best? Because I wrote it. I wrote it myself. So it must be true. It must be true. It's the best, most entertaining Tesla fundamental technical analysis review ever. But I have put a disclaimer, LOL, at the end. Maybe you'd like to check it out. Above my head, down here, more links. Over here, I'll leave the review for you. You can go and check it out and learn even more from the best, most entertaining Tesla video ever in the history of the world. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Go Tesla! All right, there you go. I have a stake in Martyn Lucas LLC. You do? No, hang on a minute. No, you don't. No, you don't, Niels, because you're not a member of this flipping channel. What is wrong with you? Niels is part owner of the franchise. There's going to be a sequel soon. There'll be a sequel to it. Uber shares to the moon. 77 billion share buyback, I believe. Nope, says Niels. Niels is not a member, or is he? No, he's not. He refuses. I'm not going to be a member of this channel. There's no way. I can't afford $2. I can't do it, he says. He needed 20% to keep Dojo in-house. Breaking news. Trading 212 is releasing 24-hour trading next month. This is going to stop a lot of customers moving to Hood in the UK. Oh, I don't think so, though. Flawless cleaning. Careful with what you say around these parts. Flawless cleaning. What did flawless cleaning say? Why do I listen to you and buy a lot of rap? I have so much regrets. Why? What? Why? Let me explain a minute. Let's break this down. Flawless cleaning is going, I don't like rap. Why did I listen to you? Well, first of all, you've got to make your own judgment. I don't own the stock. What I do, though, is bring the CEO of the show, of the company on, so you can ask him questions and you can find out more from rap than any other channel in the world, because you get to ask me and I ask him information, the hard questions that no one else will ask on your behalf. That's the first thing. The second thing is, you're saying it's going down. Why do I listen to you? Why on earth have you come to that conclusion? We started talking about rap around about here. And since we talked about it and we said it was a good buy, it's been going up consistently. So where did you buy it? Did you buy it up there and now it's down there, you're upset? It's consistently trending upwards. So what are you talking about? It's all good. And listen, I don't mind whether the stock goes up, down, left or right. I'm not trying to make friends with rap. I'll be friendly and respectful and appreciate them, but I'm not trying to, promote the stock. I don't own the stock. I'm just trying to bring you the best information. But you're saying it's you have so many regrets. How could you possibly have regrets if you bought it when we started talking about it and ever since it's gone up? What is there to be upset about? 42% in a month. I'll repeat, 42% in a month, and it's going up again. What is it you don't like? I don't understand. Because it went down today and straight back up again? So you sold it when it went down and now you're chasing it again. Well, what you need to, if that's what you've done, which I'm assuming you've done, what you need to be doing is educating yourself on your mentality, on your control of how your emotions, how you feel. If you bought this when we started talking about it, and you bought the company, not the stock price, not only are you up 40%, which would be pretty good. That's like 4 years on the or about 3.5 years on the S&P. Not only that, but you've bought the company because you see in 5 years it's going to be 4x, 5x, 10x. Pick a number, I don't know. But how could you possibly be not happy with it? I don't know. Anyway, come back to me. I'd love to know. Leo Sudbury, of course, who's trying to bring negativity in the show, is trying to say, well, be careful what you say. Anyone can say anything. Leo Sudbury, they just can't be rude. And if you don't like it, go and watch somebody else. Somebody else will give you a load of old flannel to get YouTube subscribers and tell you you're going to be rich. Maybe you want to go and listen to BitBoy. Oh, you can't, can you? Because he went mental. All right, so maybe, I don't know. But, I think Flawless Cleaning has just done some bad trades and now he's frustrated because he's chasing the stock. Never chase the stock. Anyway, breaking news from Crag. Hang on, Niels is not a member. Nope. Niels is part of the Niels is part owner of the franchise. I have a stake in Martyn Lucas LLC. Trading 212. Good day today. It's a brilliant day. It's a good day for rap too. Not according to our friend here, it's not. Maybe Elon will think twice before he affects the share price with a crazy comment again. I hope so. I think Elon Musk is growing up, isn't he? Big Buffett portfolio on Discord as well. Also great to look at portfolios of super investors. Niels has sent me something. What's Neil sent me? What's he sent in? Links for YouTube. Niels. Where is it? Where have you sent it? What have you sent in? What am I looking at? What am I looking at here? Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. Oh, I see. Apple, 50% of their portfolio reported value, current, reduced, 10% reduced. Where does it say they've sold Apple? What am I looking at here? Apple, recent activity. You said he sold Apple. Doesn't say that. He sold Amazon, but he's not sold Apple. What do you mean, Niels, that he sold Apple? I'm looking at the filing, and it doesn't say he sold Apple. It says he sold Amazon. Look, reduced Amazon by 5%. Doesn't say he sold Apple at all. So what do you mean when you say he sold Apple? Still not heard from Hood about opening an account. I don't understand that because I got my third invitation today off Robinhood. I did it with 3 lists, and I've been given 3 emails and 3 invitations. So I've been invited 3 times now. I don't know why, Malk. All you've got to do is share the link and you'll get it. Flawless cleaning is ramen in disguise. A toilet cleaner whose life changed with $15 profit in Holo. If you refuse to be a member, at least smash the like button. I think that's the least you can do. I agree, Eric. I agree. Eric, good morning from New Zealand. New Zealand! Hey, Moonshot! Moonshot, I'm excited because we do not have a member from New Zealand. And if you become a member from New Zealand, we will fly the flag for you. How do you do? We've got 58 countries as members, and we do not have New Zealand. No, we don't. Let me just double check. No, we don't have New Zealand. We got Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand. We have it already. Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, Cuba, Brazil, Afghanistan, Libya, and Sweden. Sorry, mate. We've already got a member from New Zealand. Damn it. I was hoping you could fly the flag for us. Never mind. I bought wrap for $5, so I'm not happy now. Why did you buy it for $5? We gave you a world exclusive before Bloomberg and CNN. It's not CNN, sorry, CNBC. Scott came on our show and gave us Scott came on our show twice, talked about the company, and then we had a world exclusive from TJ, who called in and told us at 8:05 in the morning, before the bell rang, about the breaking news. Look at this. Here it was. We gave you the information. Let me share with you. There it is. We gave it to you ahead of schedule, and then we've got a price target of $10. There's the interview from Scott Cohen, the CEO of Wrap. There's the second interview, and there's the update. It's all there. We gave it to you. And I promoted it on all my social media and everywhere. Look, a world exclusive. It was all done. So Anyway, so, there it is. Robinhood is the better platform because of its UI, in my opinion. Robinhood is way better. I think it's the best platform there is. I've tried them all. It says reduce. You're saying it says reduce, and it doesn't. Look, I'm looking at the filing that you just sent in. Apple. Where does it say reduce? There is what you sent in, Apple. It says reduce on Chevron, HPQ, Aon, Amazon, MKL, GL. There's no reduction on Apple. So I don't know what you mean. We are loving it, just not always buying it. You have not the updated version. Well, that's the one you sent me. I mean, you sent me the link. What am I supposed to do here? Yeah. I'm sharing the information that you've sent to me. Links for YouTube. So you sent me the old version then, did you? Well, flipping heck. See, that's your mistake then, isn't it? Don't blame me if you send me the old stuff. Try to refresh. It'll be the same. Oh, there you go. It's changed. There you go. I got it now. Thank you very much. So that's weird. The link you gave me was the old version, and then I had to refresh it. So you're absolutely right. Now this is very, very interesting, and this has just come out. So we want to thank you very much for sending that in to me. Try to refresh. When did Wrap reach $5? Sorry, I mean Flawless Cleaning. When did Wrap reach $5? Not everybody is wealthy enough to become a member. Leo Sudbury, every single person here can be a member. If you're investing on the stock market, how could you possibly not afford a $2 membership? Think about what you're saying. We have got members in the third world. We've got members in Afghanistan, Libya. We've got members in Uganda that we do fundraising for that are members. In fact, they're silver members at $6 a month. It's $2. If you can't afford $2, you probably shouldn't be investing on the stock market. I'm not being funny. I hope that doesn't sound a bit like elitist. It's $2. If you can't afford $2, my suggestion is you shouldn't be on the stock market, number one. Number two, if you can't afford $2, you probably can't afford the iPhone. You're watching YouTube, and you can't afford the electric, and you should be out actually working, earning some money, not watching me on YouTube. I'm just saying. So, that doesn't make any sense, Leo. To be, with the greatest respect, that doesn't make any sense. What happened to space after hours? That's gone down 2.5%. Let's have a quick look. 2.5%. Then pay your debts off and build some capital before. Yeah, exactly. I didn't start investing until I paid my debts off. And you can't invest on the stock market if you've got debts and you've got no money. You can't, Leo, even though you've been a little bit rude recently, again, I'm going to give you my time is valuable. I value my time. And I'm going to give you my time right now. And let me tell you, from someone who's made money and been all over the world, been pretty successful, I think, you cannot use the stock market to get yourself out of debt and make money. The stock market is for you to invest the money that you've made from yourself to invest to make more money. You don't use the stock market to make money when you don't have any. This is not a casino. You don't take your wages from your job and put it on black and hopefully get rich. What you do is you build your business yourself, whether you work at McDonald's or whether you own your own business. You earn money, you save money, you're not in debt, you get out of debt, and then you invest what's left. The rich invest and spend the rest. The poor spend and invest what's left. Simple strategy. I'll repeat that. The poor spend all their money and invest what's left. The rich invest and spend what's left. They do the very opposite. So, if you're in a position where you can't afford a membership of this show, you shouldn't even be on the stock market. And I'm not trying to put you off. I'm trying to help you. Frodo Baggins, I'm not trying to rob you. I'm trying to help you. All right? I'm trying to help you. If you're using the stock market to get out of debt, I will predict what will happen. You will get into more debt and you'll end up with less money. Because that's how it works. When you're stressed and you're desperate and you're trying to make money when you've got debt, you will end up with more debt because your mentality will be upside down. You'll be stressed. You'll be upset. You'll be angry. You'll have attitude. We've seen your attitude towards me today. Being straight with you, mate. We've seen it. You're trying to find something to have a go at. And when you're doing that, it's because you're angry with yourself. And you're angry with yourself because you haven't got any money. And you haven't got any money because you've got debt. And then you've got more debt because you're trying to make money out of investing on the stock market, which is making you even more angry and even more frustrated. So be very, very careful with what you're doing. I hope that helps. I'm trying to offer you constructive support, giving you my time, which is valuable to you. Even though you're not a member and you've been a bit rude to me today, I'm still trying to help you. Okay? Not everyone is wealthy enough to become a member. That's how we started that conversation. Some of us live in small salaries as toilet cleaners. Hang on a minute. I didn't see that at the end. Some of us live on small salaries as toilet cleaners. Right, now I'm assuming you're a toilet cleaner then, okay? Thank you for your service if you are a toilet cleaner, because we need clean toilets. There's nothing wrong with cleaning toilets. It's one of the most essential jobs there is. Because if no one cleaned toilets, we would all have diseases. So let me first of all, if you are telling the truth and you are a toilet cleaner, rather than just trying to pick some extreme job, I'll take you at your word that you're a toilet cleaner. And if you are, thank you very much. It's a very important job. Let me tell you something, Leo Sudbury. I worked on a ship for 4 years and I was paid minimum wage. Minimum. Absolute minimum. You lived on tips. And if you didn't work and you were a lazy person and sat on your ass, you ended up with no money. And that's what most of the people did on the ship. I, however, said I'm going to work every hour of every day on the ship that I was awake. And I would sit in the piano bar all day, every night. And people would give me $1 tips. $1. $1. 60 pence. A busker on the street would get more. And I used to be the world piano man, touring in theatres all around the world, earning big money. But I wasn't too proud to sit there all day for $1 a tip, 60 pence, more than a busker on the street. But I did it day in, day out for 4 years. When everybody else was sat on the beach, smoking, drinking, taking drugs, I was earning $1, $1, $1. I went home and I bought my house. Don't tell me that you can't be successful and make money when you've got no money. Rubbish. I did it with $1 tips, 60 pence. But I kept doing it over and over again. And I sacrificed everything. I never spent a single penny. The only thing I ever bought on the ships was fridge magnets from every country that I visited. I have a fridge magnet for every country of the world, and I never paid to go anywhere. Didn't pay to go anywhere. I got it all for free by working my arse off all around the world. So don't tell me you can't be successful if you clean toilets. Because you know what, Leo Sudbury? If I clean toilets, they would be the cleanest and the best clean toilets ever. I'd be the most proudest person cleaning toilets you've ever known. And I would get on my ass, get on my knees, and I'd clean those toilets better than anyone. And I'd make money from cleaning toilets. And I would take that money and I would turn that money into more money. So if you are a toilet cleaner and you've got no money and you're telling me you can't make money, let me tell you, you can. You absolutely can make money cleaning toilets. They pay your debts off and build some capital before thinking about investment. Absolutely. And that is from a very successful, very wealthy person. He's telling you. MSK, beginning of February. I already pay $500 a month. Yes, that's real option for Tinder. I already pay $500 a month. Yes, that's a real option for Tinder. You pay $500 a month, Niels, to meet a girl on Tinder. Are you flipping mad? You can go out and meet a girl for free. Why would you spend $500 a month to meet a girl on Tinder? That's ridiculous. Take $500 and turn it into $1,000 by investing it. Why would you do that? Leo Sudbury said, who said anything about having debts? My salary doesn't permit the room to have luxuries like YouTube channel memberships, unfortunately. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Every single person here, if they are sensible with their money, can afford $2. I don't care who you are, because we've got the poorest people on the planet here as silver members. So to say you can't afford $2 is because you're mismanaging your own money. And I'm sorry, but that's just the reality of it. That's the reality of it. Flawless cleaning. Did Martyn tell you to buy it at all-time highs? No, I didn't. With Sadu it did. With Sadu it did. What do you mean? What do you mean? Leo Sudbury, I just made a sarcastic reply to your own, to you, mate. We can continue if you like. Dr. Blurry, big shot. Farley is 13 left today. Top positions are Baba. Thank you, Moonshot. Just be patient. Rat will go up to 6 soon. Rat will go to $10. Try to refresh the page. Maybe it's good. Yeah, I've got it now. Leo Sudbury, MSK, please don't put words in my mouth or read between the lines. Rap was $4.07 during the first review. I bought at $4.09. Then the CEO came on here and it's been up ever since. There you go. Jose Quintana. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. It's been up ever since. Rat was $4.07 during the first review. I bought in at $4.09. Then the CEO came on and it's been up since. Correct. Leo Sudbury, I'll do what I like, thanks, Mr. Sudbury. MSK is very successful, very decent, very giving, very generous person. He's here to help you. Listen, don't shut people down like MSK. He's a great, great, great person to meet. When he says that the share is worth at least 20, what does he mean by that? When he says that the share is worth it, I don't know what you're referring to. Buffett is betting big on oil. Yikes. Flawless cleaning, it means do your own research. Look, flawless cleaning, it's whistling noise. Fairy dust. Martyn, because of your closed caption delay, the timing of questions and answers are off. You know you've got to press the live button underneath the video, right? For those of you that are behind the stream, Eric, if you're behind the stream, this is what you do. Let me share with you. If you're behind the stream, if you're grey, look, if you click here, it turns grey. You're behind the stream. What you do is this. You click the live button, mobile or computer. Now you're 30 seconds behind. Now, if you want to come within 5 seconds, you click the cogs, you click playback speed, and you go 2 times. Listen now. Hey, you're behind the stream. What you do is this. You click the live button, mobile or computer. Now you're 30 seconds behind. It speeds it up, and now you are within 5 seconds of me speaking. So if you are behind the stream, you don't need to be. That is how you fix it. All right, Eric? That was for you. MSKRK, then I'm on the wrong channel. I'm on the wrong channel. I don't know what he means. I have challenged Martyn Lucas Investor on many occasions, but I don't get rude because I respect the hard graft. MSK, flawless cleaning ramen. Come on, it's you. Probably. Great information, the best live show to bringing the news. Thank you, Zach. Does anybody want to phone in? The phone lines are open, all members. Does anybody want to call in? Just in. Google McDoodle is down 2% after hours. On the news, Opening AI is developing a web search product. Just in. Google McDoodle. Let's have a look. Google is down 1.66. Look at that. I remember paying off my credit card that day is more important to me than any trade. Absolutely right. It was hard. The best things, the most important things in life are hard. Absolutely right. I remember paying off my credit card. It was hard. Leo Sudbury, look what you've done. You got Martin talking about how he survived the Titanic. That's right, mate. Damn dog, at least try to bump up the trash cleaner or something. Don't just be the toilet cleaner forever. Eves to know what for EVs though. Know what I mean? I think he says. Eric, yes. Malk, yes. Damn, I collect frig magnets too. I've got one from every country of the world. Yes. What is going to be the next holo stock ramen? I mean, flawless. It's brilliant. I love it. Is ramen still here? I can check if ramen's still here. Yep, ramen is still here. You don't believe me? Look at this. Look, watch. He's trying to hide and pretend he's not here. Watch this. At ramen. Hang on. That's the wrong one. He's gone now. He was there 10 seconds ago. Let me refresh the screen. Try that again. Ramen was there 10 seconds ago. He's gone now. He was there 10 seconds ago, damn it. I just wanted to show you how I can see who's there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can do it yourself. He's still there. And then I made more on Warren Buffett, didn't I? And then I made what? Niels. I just saw Virgin Galactic's Valentine's card. That's probably why the stock went through the roof. Valentine's cards? Virgin Galactic Valentine's cards? They haven't got Valentine's cards. What are you on about? What are you on about, Vaz? Where's Mocha Hine these days? I know, in the block room with Ramen. He's in the dunce's room, got a dunce hat on his head. Virgin Galactic goes back down. Well, you say that, but I mean, it's up 13%. Now it's gone. So if it hadn't gone up to 13%, if it had only gone up to 11%, would you have said you've had a bad day? People get so disappointing, right? If it hadn't gone up to 13% right there, if it had only gone to 11%, you'd have gone, I've had a brilliant day. But because it went to 13, now back to 11, you think it's rubbish. Anyway, I'm considering adding to my XRP, actually. Maintain 100% agree with you. Martin, I agree 100% with you. Ramesh. This is not Raman. This is Ramesh. Completely different person. This is a nice person. Martin, you are a lot less stressed since investing in the S&P. Vanguard and ditching. Moonshot, exactly. Exactly. My aim is the show and you. I'm investing on in myself and you to build the show, build my income. I don't need to make money from the stock market. No one should need to make money from the stock market. Otherwise, you're making the wrong decisions. You make money from yourself and you invest what you have. And my focus is building the show and the audience. That's my focus. And I think now I'm doing a better job because you're right. I'm not stressed at all. Flawless. Hold tight. Very early days for rap. Won't let me buy any more. And I took that as a sign. Thank you. Love the catch up tip again. Just figured it out. Eric B, there you go. See? You've learned something today, didn't you, mate? He's thinking, yep, I didn't know that. I forgot about that. Flawless. At least you don't own Vorb like me. Oh, I owned Vorb. I lost so much money on Virgin Orbit. Do you still own it? You can't still own it, can you? Does it still exist? Let's have a look. Is Vorb still around? VORB. No, it's not around anymore. Virgin Orbit is not around anymore. I didn't know if it'd still be there. No, it's not. MSK, I've no idea why I invest in XRP. No idea I can make money no idea how I make money in the crypto world, Niels. Luck, I guess. Ramen. Playing hide and seek. See him here, see him there. Oh no, I admit XRP was an impulse buy based on Sensei Crypto tips. When I asked him what crypto I should get in on, I did my research and jumped in. That's right. So did I, mate. And me. It's my biggest bloody thing. I got loads of it. How am I doing, by the way, with my XRP? I can't believe I own so much XRP. Let's have a look. Crypto. XRP. I'm actually down on it. Yeah, I'm down on it. Look, here's my XRP. I've got $770 of XRP. Right? And I'm down $36. Yeah, I'm down on XRP, damn it. So, yeah, I don't quite know how that's worked out. Anyway, I don't know. Why did space go up? Any news? Richard Garcia, I wish I knew, mate. I don't have any reason for it. MSK, yeah, me too. NSTG added the Q bankruptcy. Oh, God. But feel I don't do enough research. I don't understand a thing. Niels, I'm with you, mate. I ain't got a clue either, mate. I'm right with you. In XRP we trust. Literally, I don't, he's going literally. Literally, I know nothing. The only space news are earnings on February 27th. And hopefully update about Delta progress. Yes, who's going to cover the earnings? Who are you going to call? Ghostbusters. Me. That's why I'm considering adding. I thought you bought XRP at like 33. I did, but I bought some more. That's why my average went up. I know. I only make a profit with XRP, says XRP82. XRP, all of a sudden, we got XRP popped up. Maybe we should mention more crypto people and they'll pop up like magic. How are you, XRP82? Lovely to have you here. Right, I've got to go. I talked too long tonight. That way, and because of that, I didn't get stuff done. I was going to make some extra reviews tonight, but you got me talking, and now I've just been talking, and I haven't done what I meant to do. It's your fault. I blame you. Michael Roberts. Let's have a look. He's asked me a question. Curious question. My alpha spread feed has picked up recently on large sell-off stocks from multiple companies. Any idea of a pending sign of a market downturn or possible crash? Any idea of a pending sign of a market downturn? Yeah, A lot of people think that. A lot of people think that we're going to get a big sell-off soon. I'm not 100% convinced about that. But thank you for your question. I hope that you're with me on the live show and you've heard me answer it. But I'll put you on to Sensei, who will give you much more information on that. Right. When is the space earnings? The space earnings. It's February the 27th, after hours. Who are you going to call? I'm going to report on it live. Of course I am. You're not going to miss anything. How would you possibly miss it? Raman will miss it. He'll miss it. No, actually he won't. He'll be in the chat, but he won't be he won't be able to talk, so he'll probably get bored. And this guy, Valentine C, he always says margin. I don't know why. It's like a little thing he says. Hold the bag. Vanguard bought more space. Valentine C, become a member, send it in via Discord. I can report on it. Otherwise, I can't. When is space earnings? Crag, 27, I believe. Thanks, MSK. I answered it, Crag. Don't thank MSK. I answered it. Right, I've got to get out of here now. I've got things to do, places to go. It's Valentine's Day today. I want to thank everybody. We're now at 16,065. Thanks ever so much. Appreciate you a lot. 320. Amazing. Oh, by the way, who wants me to report the Coinbase earnings tomorrow night? Thank you ever so much. Povzor is now following me on StockTwits. Oh, a special member. Hang on a minute. Who's this person here? Oh, he's got a special badge. Anyway, he just started following me. Thank you ever so much indeed. I appreciate that. Thank you, Ross. Thank you for the follows. It's really kind of you. Anyway, I've got a poll. Eric B has just done a thank you for all the knowledge. Will there, hang on a minute, will there be popcorn included? Coinbase. Yep, for sure. This guy here wants to come to the Coinbase earnings. Yep, for sure. I love it. AA just asked me a question about the Coinbase. Shall we do the earnings? Let's go back. What else do we have? Song of Virgin Galactic, please. What are you replying to? The Song of Virgin Galactic. Hang on then. Come into YouTube and I'll play it. There you go. He wants the Virgin Galactic song. Everybody does, don't they? Everybody wants a bit of that. Doing good. Looks like nothing but upside from here. Breaking out. I'm loving it. What are you referring to? You are referring to... don't know what that was referring to, so I can't respond to that. I don't know what that was. Dawn has reposted my show today. Now, Dawn's going to set up a channel, right? We talked about it earlier. Right, here it is. There's a poll here. Here's the poll. Where's the poll? Where's the poll? Where's the poll? There you go. Should I broadcast the Coinbase earnings? Who wants Coinbase earnings? Here it is. Let's have a poll. Should I do the Coinbase earnings? If you want me to cover the Coinbase earnings tomorrow night, how about the Rumble stock says?
All the Q&A.
Thank you for all the Q&A. You're very welcome, Eric B. Eric B, look, this is Rumble right now. Thinking about buying more. There we go. Look at this. How about Rumble stock? You want to see some Rumble? Okay. There's some Rumble on the screen for you. There you go. Doing pretty well today. Doing pretty well today. Thank you very much indeed. Right, I've given everyone the link. Shall I cover the the Coinbase earnings tomorrow? I've dropped it in the chat. Have you all clicked on it? There you go. Tomorrow night, Coinbase earnings. Shall we cover it? Okay. MSK, no thank you. I'm a solo flyer. He's the only person buying XRP all by himself. That reminds me of my ex-girlfriend. Oh my gosh. My ex-girlfriend, she was called Sally, right? Years ago. And she said, just like XRP 82, right? I'm a solo. I do my own thing. It's me against the world. I'm a maverick. And she said, I am not getting an iPhone. I am not going to follow everybody else. I am going to be my own woman. I am a rebel. I am not being like you or your stupid iPhone. I'm not doing it. I went, okay then. So you're going to have a phone? She said, yeah. Oh yeah. But I'm just not having an iPhone. I'm going to be free. I'm going to do my own thing. I'm not going to follow the trend. I said, so what are you going to do then? Are you going to make a phone out of stone? Carve it out of wood? She said, no. I'm going to have an Android Galaxy. What? Like the other half of the world then? So half the world are iPhone. Hey, thank you, Vaz, for your super chat. That's very kind of you. Everyone smash the like button. That's his first ever super chat. Hey, Vaz, if you put a comment underneath, it reads it out. That's very kind of you. Thank you very much, Vaz. That's very kind of you, mate. So she said, I'm not having it. I said, so you're like half the world. So how are you different than the other half? Well, I'm not going to have an iPhone. I'm not going to. But you've got an Android like everybody else. And she was that flipping determined to be a rebel. It was when Andy Murray was playing Federer in the Wimbledon final in England. And we're in a pub and everyone's cheering for Andy Murray, the first British man to win Wimbledon for like 1 million years. I'm not supporting Andy Murray. I'm supporting Roger Federer. I said, what, are you Swiss? No. Every single person here wants a British person to win for the first time ever. Roger Federer has won it loads of times. Well, I don't like Andy Murray. Yeah, but everybody in the pub is supporting this guy to win. Get with it. Enjoy yourself. No, I'm not doing it. And that just reminded me of MSK. Sorry, of XRP. He's the only person buying XRP. Everybody! Thank you, Vaz, for that. We've got a new friend in the chat for Sensei. Sensei will love you. Sensei is the biggest fan ever of XRP. He will absolutely love you. But if you're the only person buying it, he might get a little bit upset, though. He might sell it if you're the only person. Long Tall Sally. Long Tall Sally. Yes, Long Tall Sally. Long farewell. Long see Sally. Yeah, bloody right. I can't be doing with that rubbish. Eric B. Any news about Momentous? I've got nothing new to share with you today, I'm afraid. Sally is like my mum. I'm not buying that. I'm not doing that. Well, unless you carve it out of stone or you carve it out of a rock, there's nothing original about you. Under the bus. Under the bus. Under the bus. I believe Andy Murray was not supported due to some comments. And he was Scottish. Careful. We've got Dawn Potterus in here and she's Scottish. And we love Dawn Potterus. We love Dawn. Don't say nothing about Scotland. We love Dawn. We love Scotland. Anyway. Where's your predictions for Robinhood? Where's my predictions for Robinhood? It's a 4 to 6x. Don't believe me? I've already said it. I've already said it in public. It's written in stone. I can't erase it. I can't delete what I've said before. Do you want me to prove it? Go into the search box. Type in Martyn Lucas into the search box. Right? There's my name. And then go Hood. Hood. Click enter. Let's see if I actually did say it. Well, I reported the earnings, of course. There's the earnings. I report all the earnings. Scroll down. Then I edit the earnings so they sound even better. All right? Scrolling. Robinhood analysis. Go and check it out. I say 4 to 6x on this analysis. Anything else with Robinhood, my name on it. Oops. Kathy Wood talking rubbish. What else? Oh, hello. All in on Robinhood. Robinhood the UK. Google partnership. Hang on. I want more Robinhood. 50,000 deal with Robinhood. There it is. 4x. See? I said that 8 months ago. 8 months ago. So you can't go back and say he never said it. Yes, he did. I said it. It's out there for all to see, and you can check it anytime you like. That's how you find stuff. Okay. Martin, I was supporting XRP 82. I owed almost 80,000 XRP, but he decided to reply with a hostile comment, and I'm just laughing. I know. Why are all these people hostile? What's wrong with people? Vaz, show the Virgin Galactic Valentine's card from Instagram or X. I really struggle with this super hot. It's a super chat, Vaz. Hey, look at that. It'll read it out. Hold on. Here it comes.
Show the VG Valentine's cards for Omega or X, thanks. I really struggled with this super hot lol.
Super hot? Well, you've done very, very well, mate. You've done very, very well. I'll give you a round of applause. Everyone tap the like button to Vaz's comment, please. Right, show the Virgin Galactic cards from Instagram or X. I'll do it. You ready? Okay, here we go. Why am I still here? Why have I been going so long? SPCE at end. And we had also, what did we have today? We had Tesla news as well. Tesla news. Where was that? Anyone tell me? Hi, Martin. How are you? James, I'm good, mate. I've got to do something from somebody. I've got Vaz has given me a super chat and get on with it. Get on with it. I want to see the Virgin Galactic Valentine's cards. Bloody hell. Demanding, innit? Demanding. SPCE. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. I'm liking it. I'm not the only one buying XRP. Maybe the only one making a profit with XRP. What, have you got a special deal? By solo, I mean, I don't listen to anyone's advice. That's right, and you shouldn't. And this isn't advice anyway. If you look at the description of the video, it tells you this is not financial advice. This is my experience, and I'm sharing it with you. And you're sharing yours with me. I'm not buying it because you say so. And you're not buying it because I say so. And I don't even say so. So we're all good. Okay, Virgin Galactic. Here we go. Virgin Galactic. This is especially for Vaz. Here we go. I'm loving it. I am loving this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Virgin Galactic, we've got a surprise for you. It's Valentine's Day. And today the stock's up. A few people are a bit upset though. It's down in the after hours. What's going on? Well, if it hadn't gone up so high in the day, you'd still be up about 10%, right? Don't worry about it. But of course, today is about love and Valentine's. What have we got to say about it? Look at this. Virgin Galactic. Love is in the air. Tag someone who sets your heart ablaze. It's a Valentine's Day card from Virgin Galactic. What do you think of this? Should we have a closer look? There you go. You can tag it in. We've been complaining about the marketing for Virgin Galactic. Well, now they've sorted it out. Right? I shouldn't have a go. Come on, I'm not having a go. From your love gives me a boost. Come on, it's pretty good, isn't it? I like it. Do you like it? Do you think it's a good idea? Yeah, of course it is. We got the boost. What else have we got? You are the starship to my mothership. With marketing like this, I don't think Virgin Galactic can go wrong. Do you? I think it's brilliant. Hey, it is what it is. It's Valentine's Day. Shouldn't we be excited about it? We should be, shouldn't we? There we go. Virgin Galactic. Love is in the air today. Absolutely right. We love it. So I just want to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you've had a lovely day today. Shall we put some love on the screen? Should we put some love on the screen? Here we go. There's a bit of love right there. Look, right in the center. There you go. Go and check it out. Someone just met. I didn't even know that this was happening. Someone just sent this in to me. Let's have a little look. We've got a little comment coming in here, look, from Zach8. Zach8 says, Vaz, Virgin Galactic, Martyn, happy Valentine to all. Absolutely lovely. So there you go. There's our little Valentine's treat there from Virgin Galactic. Check it out. Leave me your thoughts below. All right. I'll tell you what, I might even give a prize to the best comment. Click above my head, down here in the description, over here and over here. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got something else here. It's just come in. I've got a super chat from Vaz. Thanks, Martyn. I'm a bit tipsy. Love that Virgin Galactic review. Thank you, Vaz. We should just wait 10 seconds for him to read it. It will read it out. And it's nothing better than when it gets read out. Shall we wait? Let's just wait a second. Let's put on the screen. We got to do it. Let's share it. Here we go. Ready? Any second now. I don't know where. Vaz is not even a member, but he's giving me super chats on Valentine's Day. It's lovely, isn't it? You ready? Let's read it out. Virgin Galactic. Of course, we're going to be live for February the 27th, which is after hours for the earnings. We're going to be there. Hopefully we'll get some Delta news. Any second now. I might edit this a little bit. You ready? Let's wait. I want this to be in the video. Any second now. Hold your horses. I'll edit this out in a minute. Have patience. Later on, this video will come out by itself, and I'll edit all this out. Here it comes. I can't make it happen. It's got to happen by itself.
Thanks, Martyn. I'm a bit tipsy. Love that VG review. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
There you go. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. I love that. So there you go. There's my little update today on Valentine's Day for Virgin Galactic. We should go red. In fact, we should go pink. We should go love color. Is that better? We're green, but we're also pink for the love of it. Okay? We'll have a bit of red as well. Is that better? There you go. It's very romantic. Until next time. Join us for the earnings. Above my head, down here, over here. Where else are you going to watch it? No one else is going to cover it 24 hours a day. No one else. Have a lovely Valentine's Day. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, folks. That'll do. Seriously thinking about buying Rocket Labs. Looks solid. Rocket Labs is a great company. Yes, I'm sure. Thank you, Vaz. Listen here, Vaz. Can I tell you something? You might as well be a member It's only $2 and you get so many more things as being a member. Should I give you the link for it? Here's the link. All right, go and become a member. There you go. Right, I've got to go. I shouldn't be here. This is ridiculous. It's Valentine's Day. Right, folks, have a wonderful evening. I'm not even going to do day trade of the day. I'm just going to go because I've been going all flipping day. I've been going all day. All right, it's ridiculous. 16,065 subscribers. Where are we now? Let's have a look. 326. Adrian Trechanchi is gone. Who's Adrian Trechanchi? No idea who that is. Anyway, that's it from me. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you all back tomorrow for the opening bell. And if you continue to vote on the poll and I get 100 likes on the video, that's what we said. I will do the whatchamacallit, the Coinbase earnings tomorrow night. Okay. That's it from me. Have a wonderful evening. See you all back in the morning. Have you got anybody still watching me? I've been going like all day. Have a good evening. Thank you very much. I am up 6%, by the way. I don't want to know. We're not doing day trader of the day. Keep that to yourself, Eric. MSK, keep that to yourself, how much money you've got. Have a lovely evening. You have XRP and don't know what that is. No idea, mate. No idea whatsoever. I bet you Sensei will know. I'll tell you a little secret. XRP82. I don't know everything in the world. You obviously do, but I don't. I bought XRP because Sensei told me to. That's it. We're doing the crypto challenge, but I don't have a clue about XRP or that bloke that you mentioned, Adrian Trechanchi. I've got no idea. But I could tell you, I could lie and pretend I know, or I could tell you the truth and say I don't know. There's lots of things I don't know, and the more I learn, I don't know. Till tomorrow morning. Have a lovely evening. Take care of yourselves. Happy anniversary. Happy Valentine's Day. Ta-ra for now.